Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI browser extension called Zyda AI. So let's dive into it. Zyda AI is one of the most powerful browser extension in 2025, giving user instant access to multiple AI models like GPT-4, Cloud, Gemini, and more right in a sidebar. Its strength lies in the versatility, and you can also summarize web page, YouTube video, PDFs, or image compare answers from different AIs, generate text and visual, and even use its new deep research agent for smarter analytics. The smart knowledge base also help teams save, organized insight, making Zyda more than just a chatbot. It had strong productivity boost, real-time translation, and enterprise-level integration, and it's clear why Zyda stands out as a top AI assistant. So on the downside, Zyda has more notable issues. Many users report that unlimited plan still comes with hidden usage gap, while login glitches and mobile app limitation can be frustrating. And also, the pricing may feel steep for those who only need light API help, and the occasional reliability hiccup makes it less published than premium standalone AI app. So in conclusion, Zyda is a fantastic tool for power users who want all-in-one AI directly in their browser, but if privacy and restrict readability are your top priority, you may need, or you might want to weigh alternative before fully committing into the Zyda AI. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.